today I'm going to be reacting to reacting to a pimple popping.
This one is called Biggest Cyst Pop Ever. Oh, all my favorite keywords. Ooh, wait, what's happening? Wait, where is it? Wait, where is it? Oh my god, is that it? Is that it? Oh, fuck. Fuck. Oh my god. Hold on, I need to pause it. Okay, I'm ready. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's it. That's it. It looks like a tampon string. Oh my god. Ooh, maybe it's a tampon. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh. Fuck. Oh, it's like your ears making cheese. Oh, it's like Cheese Whiz. Okay, first of all, why is the mom filming this? Second of all, why is it yellow? I've never seen that before. Ooh, I'm sweating. Oh. Okay, listen, I love it. Sometimes it makes me throw up, but I still love it. Similar to how I feel about Big Macs. Oh my god, it's like she's a hoop earring. Oh my god. Oh my fuck. Oh my fucking fuck. It won't stop. Why won't it stop? You know what's good though? It blends in with her hair. So like if she's at school one day and she scratches her ear and like a bug pus comes out, it's like, oh no, it's just part of my highlights. Oh, I was wrong. Okay, we're gonna go to a different one. This is intense. This one is called Gross Fun Deep Pimple Pop. It looks like he got shot. Oh my god. What are they putting in it? What is that? Oh my god, is that a safety pin? That's too far for me. I would never. I would use my teeth.
Let me know, okay?
Oh no. Oh no. Oh god, what is happening? I can't see, it's too blurry. The 480p. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Yes. 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 Oh my god, what the fuck? What the fuck is happening? Wait, what is happening? Where is it?
Sorry, Jim.
Ooh, sorry, Jim. Ooh, Jim. Oh, Jim, I hope you're biting on something, Jim. What the fuck just happened? What the fuck just happened? What was that?
It's coming out.
Oh, yes, bitch, it is. Bring him out, bring him out. Ooh, his skin is like Play-Doh. Wait, is it a bug? Oh, there she is. Oh, I see the head. I see the head. Oh, no. She's being too gentle. She needs to put her mouth on there and go, oh, my God. This to me is like Christmas. Like if my mom came to me on Christmas and said, Shane, I got you something, but I couldn't wrap it because I couldn't reach it, I'd be like, yes, bitch. All right, I'm going to leave this one because I'm not impressed. I need something insane. I like the name of this one. Pimple Cyst Popped Leaves a Huge Deep Hole. Oh my God, my computer history. Oh, there. Oh, no. Oh my God, it literally looks like they're milking her. Wait, what is that? Is that a pregnant belly? Are they popping the baby? Okay, these are letting me down. I want to see something first. Ooh, a compilation. Oh, I love a good compilation. Oh my god. What? Wait, I need to go back. Oh my god, it's squirting? It's squirting? I didn't know that could happen. Miracles happen once in a while. If you believe, and I believe. Oh no! Oh my god, it's like sausages. It made sausage.
I can't take it anymore, right? That is just disgusting. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.